Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. All right, let's go over the markets. The Dow was up, guys. So right here, Dow was up 140 points up for the day. NASDAQ was up. S&P was up. Russell was down. All right. VIX is at 13, 16 right here. We're seeing more of our sectors here go down. All right. So we have, what's that? 6 sectors that are currently down. These are up. All right. Market's struggling a bit. All right. So just be careful out there trading. All right. We have swings where we are down one day, up the other day. And that is affecting not only equities, but also Forex. Okay. So now is the time to pull back a bit. Right, protect your capital. Just be careful out there. Okay, on the Dow, we do have red candles right here on the Dow. All right, that's always a concern. We consider that a sell signal on the Dow. Right, the buy signal is still holding, but we have red candles, so we consider that a sell signal on the Dow. And this is on the daily time frame, so this is important. This is why equities are struggling, and that's following through to the Forex market. Okay. The Russell also have red candles here. So Russell, we've got red candle right here. That's a concern. That's a sell signal. All right. On the S&P is holding fine. Not making any new highs, though. Just holding. All right. So that's good. But we need all of these indexes, all right, moving higher. All right, so here is the S&P buy signal here. Look here, it's just holding. All right, no real movement there in the S&P. And on the NASDAQ, almost identical there. Okay, so just be careful. We don't have any movement right now. On the NASDAQ, all right, same thing, buy signal here. Big pullback. All right. Now it's just holding right here on the NASDAQ here. All right. Now, if we get some more buy-in, markets were up today. We get some more buy-in towards the end of the week, we could see this change. But for right now, that's the condition of the equity markets. Okay, we'll take a look at current positions. Forex, if you guys look here, we do have volatility, nice volatility on the daily time frame. All right, on the 240, on the 60. But this is where we've got, all right, a bit of concern. Things are mixed in here. We did get some selling overnight, lots of selling overnight. Those came in quick. All right, but again, right, keep an eye. Those yen pairs, they've been going long. We've had some shorts that signals that fail. So just be careful with these markets. Okay. All right. US 30, our US 30 traders. All right, here. Our US 30 traders, you guys know we had good shorts here, 2 good shorts here. All right, we had 1 long, and that right here, right? Markets looking, right? US 30 looking for another buy signal. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Markets were up today. Dow was up today, 140. So we might get another buy signal on a break of resistance here. If that comes in, we'll let you guys know. We'll call that. Okay, so we're looking for a buy signal on a break of resistance here, right here. Okay, all right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those on the 60-minute time frame in Monster Scalper. All right, so long positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so pound dollar. All right, close the trade, please. Buy signals here, red candle right here. Close the trade. Look at here, very choppy, guys. Very, very choppy trade in there. So pound dollar, close the trade, please. Euro dollar, buy signal here. Red candle came back below resistance here. Trade failed. red candle, close the trade. So euro dollar, close the trade, please. New Zealand dollar, that trade closed. All right, not a bad trade here, but we should be out of that trade. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. Right, broke support, red candle, sell signal here. So buy signal here, bought here, sold here, decent trade here. New Zealand dollar, close the trade, please. Aussie dollar, buy signal here, right? Previous resistance becomes support. Notice here, all right, this is where we've got sellers. All right, right here, right here, right here. We talked about this. Price came below, right? Previous resistance become support. Red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. So Aussie dollar, close that trade, please. All right, Swiss yen, same thing. Buy signal here, red candles, broke support, close the trade. All right, so choppy, a lot of choppiness. Okay, the thing about this, hey Anthony, welcome. Thing about these yen pairs, guys, is we could see another buy signal come in. Okay, so just be very, very careful. This counter trend trades hasn't been working out. Okay, so just be careful going against the overall trend. All right, which is for the yen pairs long. All right, long. All right, even with this trade closing here, guys, we could see, if you look here, we could see buyers come back in. All right, so all right here, all right, we could see that price recapture that moving average right here. All of a sudden, we're moving higher. Buy signal testing resistance here. So just be careful. All right, just hold off. Let this market settle. All right, let this market settle in. Much like that US 30. Hold on. Right here, just like this US 30 long setup that we're waiting for. Let all of that settle in. All right, wait for that buy signal there. All right, all right, all right. Where are we? Hold on. All right, so Swiss yen, close that trade, please. All right, New Zealand yen. All right, buy signal was here, failed, right? Stay above resistance, sell signal, red candle, right? We should be out right here. If we getting out all the way down here, guys, we're doing something wrong, okay? So red candle, sellers came in, closed the trade. We should be out. New Zealand yen, close that trade, please. Do not short this. If you shorted this, right? If you're going to short this, perhaps the 60-minute, 30-minute, smaller time frames, okay? All right, because guess what? Buyers could come in. We've got support here. This market is tricky. We have big down days, big up days, okay? So we've got support here. And this is the type of market that will get us, okay? So, and we want to protect that capital. So see here, all right, you try to short this, guess what? Buyers are coming in here and could move that price all the way back up. All right, so be careful of that. So New Zealand yen, close the trade. All right, so we got out right here, buy signal here, take that loss, get out. New Zealand yen, close the trade. Please, ZAR yen. All right, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Okay, all right, ZAR yen. All right. Those were on the 60-minute time frame. Now let's take a look at the 240 long in Monster Scalper. We do have a few shorts. All right. Like I said, good news, we've got volatility, but we don't have a lot of direction right now, okay? All right, Swiss yen, all right, buy signal here. That's holding firm so far in Monster Scalper on the 240. All right, so buy signal here. You see, guys, that's the overall trend right now. Swiss yen, buy signal here. Here was that pullback today. Green candles still holding, right? Needs to get back to that resistance and hopefully um, break resistance, keep moving higher. So Swiss yen looks good. New Zealand yen. All right, this trade closed. Buy signal here, big red candle here. We should be out here. We're getting out here too late. Okay, so buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. Failed to stay above resistance. So New Zealand yen, close that trade, please. All right, CAD yen. All right, CAD yen, buy signal here. This was the one, guys. We have a channel here, right? We were hoping for it to get past, break through that channel here, keep moving higher. Red candles here, broke the channel right here. Look at that. Sellers rushed in, pushed that price all the way down here. We should be totally out of this trade on this red candle right here. So we should be out. All right. If you were watching it, probably got out right in here. So we should be out of this trade. All right. So CAD yen, close the trade, please. All right. USD MXN. All right. Dollar pair really doing well. Buy signal all the way down here. All right. Nice move higher. Big candles. Right. This is the best trading dollar pair. It came out of nowhere yesterday. All right. So buy signal here, holding firm on the 240. So USD MXN. EUR, ZAR, Euro ZAR. All right. Also looks good. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. Resistance is right up here. A lot of resistance up here, guys. Okay. So this is where sellers are sitting. All right. To knock you back down. All those examples we just went through. That's what happens. Okay. When we get near seller's territory, let's call it that. Okay. Resistance right here. So price is moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance. So just know we got lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase. We are moving higher. All right, but we got sellers here. So as we move higher, I want to move that time frame down a bit to a smaller time frame. All right, 60-minute, even 30-minute as it moves higher. No major concern yet. We've got higher highs, higher lows, good green candles, good price action, but it could start slowing as it gets up near where sellers are right up here. So euros are so far looks good. All right, pounds are. All right, same family. Pounds are is already near resistance right here. Got knocked down a bit right here. Buy signal here, right? Big pullback here. White candles, but held. Now it's testing resistance right here. Again, this is where sellers are sitting right here. So if you're in this trade, right, reduce that time frame. Right, 30-minute, 60-minute. I wouldn't, you don't have to do a 5 or 15-minute, but 30-minute time frame, 60-minute. We just want to make sure buyers are holding, all right, as it gets to that resistance level. And hopefully, if buyers are holding, it could break through that resistance. Okay. If sellers come in on that smaller time frame, you get a white candle here, right? You might want to just take your profits, close the trade. All right. We might, if we get a chance, we might take a quick look at Monster Futures this evening. All right, short positions. No shorts on the 60. We have 3 shorts on the 240. So let's take a look at those. All right, in Monster Scalper. All right, so ZAR yen short. All right, ZAR yen short. Sell short signal is here. All right, great trade going. Our target is right here. Now, we could have sent out some more shorts, guys, on these yen pairs, but boy, they're tricky, even on the 60-minute. So you could make some, you could do okay, but just be careful, okay? So we're going to play it conservative for right now, right? Until things open up, get better direction. Okay, so ZAR yen sell short signal is here. All right, trading right here. Yellow support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. All right, we have higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. We have support here. All right, so that's near your target. If you're in this trade, just watch the smaller time frames. All right, if it breaks through support here, now we had buying coming today in equity, so that might help, right, to move the yen pairs higher. All right, next support area is down here. Let's make sure. All right, so next support area is down here. So if it breaks through, the good news here, we've got lower, see here, nice candles here. They're falling all the way down, getting past support here. That's good, but we do have further support here. All right, and then down here. So keep an eye on it, ZAR yen, but a decent trade going there. Aussie Swiss, good trade, good short trade with Aussie Swiss. All right, beautiful trade here. Met its first target. All right, so sell short signal here, beautiful trade. All right, sell short signal is here. Nice break of right here. Support, that's redistribution. All right, nice healthy candles, good selling. All right, reached its first target, support level right here. All right, next target all the way down here. So nothing to change here. Aussie Swiss, great short going here. All right, great short. If it gets down to this area here, I would, look at a smaller time frame. That might be premature to do that because guess what? We don't have any support and resistance lines. Okay, so it's still dropping. All right, still dropping. So just hold it for now. Okay, so right about here. All right, so Aussie Swiss, great short going there. And currently it's down. New Zealand Swiss, another good short. All right, let's draw it out. Good short, good target. Now, I know we had a lot of price action overnight on this yen pair short. If you guys shorted them, good job, but be careful. All right, be careful. So New Zealand Swiss sell short signal is here, breaking support here, redistribution, but again, yellow support and resistance. So we've got higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. Okay, that's not good. We need that to be purple support and resistance. Okay, doesn't mean price can't move lower down in the markdown phase. All right, just know that. Right, we've got buyers trying to come in. I know these candles are not green, but that's why keep an eye on these yellow support and resistance here. Target, all right, is all the way down here. Okay, at support level here. You might get some support right up in this area, but good price action. This is the only concern here. All right, yellow support and resistance. Otherwise, good short. NZD, CHF, Swiss. Again, these Aussie Kiwi yen pairs, buyers can come in and change these trades around. We've seen it. We've had 2 cycles, all right, where these shorts have failed. Okay, so just be careful. All right, equities. All right, trades in Stock Boss. Let's take a look at those. All right, AMC, we saw buying come in AMC and GameStop yesterday. Buy signal here, AMC. All right, held today. GameStop. All right, buy signal here. Made a big move yesterday, but came all the way back down. Okay, it's holding right here. Keep an eye on these 2 trades. Okay, now these are not our typical trades. We're just trading that volatility. Okay, so just be aware of those, but it's holding. If we draw a trend line right here, all right, you guys will notice. Let me move this here. Okay, you guys will notice that it is making higher highs. Forget about this right here. It is moving up slowly here, gapped up here, gapped up here. All right, so hold it for now. No red candles, no sales signal. ORGN, all right, that's holding. We'll wait to add new positions, guys. EBS, All right, that's holding. We'll wait for this market to settle down a bit. ME, all right, sell signal. Buy signal here was a break of resistance right here. All right, gap down today. All right, broke support. Sell signal, perfect sell signal. Right here, we should be out of the trade. So buy signal came in at 62 cents. Sell signal came in at 47 cents. Red candle, sell signal. All right, we should be out of the trade. We don't want this to happen. All right, so get out, protect your account. Okay, so ME, close the trade, please. All right, ADTN. All right, good markdown phase, good risk reward there. Let's take a look at it. Good markdown phase here. All right, buy signal is right here, right here. Red, white candle here. All right, holding that trend line right now. Purple support and resistance. So we know it's under pressure. All right, within the markup phase. Okay, market's up today. We'll hold it. All right, we'll hold it for now. Keep an eye on it though. Okay, if you're in it. TAC. All right, TAC is holding right here. All right, good markdown phase. Buy signal here. This is good. All right, buyers are holding, not letting the stock drop. We do have purple support and resistance. Okay, but that's near yellow support and resistance. Okay, so it's they're battling right now. Okay, price is being squeezed. Okay, so we have a nice little triangle being formed here. We got higher lows right here. I know this is a lot of analysis. You guys don't have to do all of this analysis here. Bottom line, buy signal here, all green candles holding. All right, a nice big update. We could see this move higher. Okay, all right, so TAC in stock boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. Notice, guys, we don't have a lot of stocks right now. Okay, all right. So markets kind of, we have the Russell sell signal, red candle. All right, the Dow red candle, that's a sell signal. S&P holding its buy. Nasdaq. So we have two for two, right? We got two indexes that are down, the other two that are up. So that's why it's a tricky market, right? It can go either way, right? Buyers are not in control, sellers are not in control. So that's what's tricky about this. So, right, when that happens, trim positions, hold back, try not to add any positions until we have better direction. Okay, especially with all of the any of the markets, but especially with equities. NEP, all right, NEP buy signal here, that's holding. RCL. All right. Royal Caribbean, nice move today. All right. So nice big candle came in today. So buy signal here. All right. What was that? At 141. All right. Made a nice move. 155 today. So we'll take that. CLS, buy signal here. All right. A bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on this. Lower, even if the candles are green. All right. Lower highs right here. Every day it's been moving lower. It's holding right here. Let's move this up. Okay. So buy signal came in right here. Keep an eye on this one. CLS. Okay. HOOD holding support right here. All right. Holding resistance. But remember, previous resistance becomes support. So it's holding. Keep an eye on it there. MPWR. Let's take a look at this one here. Bringing your lines to frame the trade. Okay, resistance is right here. Here is your trend line. So we know it's in the markup phase. This is reaccumulation. All right, reaccumulation held short-term support or near-term support right here. Bit of a pullback, white candle. Keep an eye on it. Okay, we need a bounce. So we need buyers to come back in. Green candle. All right, we need green candles this week. All right, tomorrow, whenever they come in, and we need buyers to continue to move higher. So we'll hold it for now, just like this. This is what we want, kind of like right here. Okay. All right. So another major concern, it's holding its trend line here. All right. Got a nice bounce of near-term support. All right. We just need another move higher, test that resistance again. So MPWR. PSTG, that's holding. WIX, that's holding well. Buy signal here. All right. Made a move down, but look here, recovered. Holding right here. Needs to stay above. All right. Support right here. It's staying above the gap. That's really nice. All right. We don't want them to fill the gap. All right. Let's bring that right about here. Okay. All right. WIX. ANF, that's holding. Buy signal here. Good price action. Just holding here. That's good. All right. GOGO, holding firm. Purpose support and resistance. Okay. Keep an eye on that. Otherwise, setting up to break out here. All right. We have resistance right here. And holding needs to break out. This is where the previous buy signals failed here. All right. So buy signal here, holding firm. All right. Good, healthy candles there. Okay. Netflix. All right. Buy signal here, holding right at resistance. All right. Needs to break through. Notice how these price action guy, no conviction. All right. We only had one so far with good conviction, good breakout. All right. Otherwise, which was which one? RCL, right? Royal Caribbean. All right. So you notice how these are struggling. All right. So Netflix holding right here. NVCR. All right. Buy signal here. It's holding purpose support and resistance. Okay. So we got to get past resistance here. All right. And that, look at that resistance coincides with that gap down right here. So that gap down. All right. So believe me, traders are watching this. What would be nice is to break through that resistance here, fill that gap, and we could see buyers really come in. Okay. Nice target all the way up here. So good risk reward. That buy signal came in at 16, 12. All right, target guys all the way up here to 75. That's a good risk reward. All right, really good risk rewards. Hopefully it holds. All right, JXN. All right, JXN guys, this has been trading well for a long time. White candle finally came in today. All right, so that's not good right now so far. Okay, so buy signal here. All right, a reaccumulation trade. Good price action. All green candles, got a white candle here today. So we'll leave it for now. This has been a strong stock. All right. If sellers come in, we get a red candle, right? It's deep in profit. Okay. So we'll hold it for now. It's been so strong. We could get buyers to come back in on a big day. If we have a big day tomorrow, which is what, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, we could see buyers continue. All right. It's been strong. So we'll trust that this is just a pullback. All right at support, and hope that buyers will come back in. Okay. So we'll hold it for now. JXN, CEIX, that's holding. All right. Buy signal here. It's getting near its resistance here. Watch your smaller time frames. Okay. All right, BVN closed the trade, please. This was a reaccumulation. I guess we were hoping for too much here. Bought here, so buy signal came in at 890. Sell signal came in at 1520. All right, buy signal here. We're looking for a reaccumulation. All right, so another run. All right, and it had some decent runs. All right, but guess what? Sellers came in white candle. All right, failed to stay above resistance. Sell signal, close the trade, please. All right, so bought here, sold here. Buy signal was at 1777, close today. Sell signal 1676, so 1 point, close the trade, please. BVN, close the trade, please. All right, so that's Bullmaster, large cap. Just remember, those are large cap stocks. Now, Bullmaster Pro, so large caps with fundamentals. Let's take a look at those. All right. Again, we don't have a lot, guys. All right. This is not the environment to be heavy in stocks right now. We have to be selective. Okay. All right. So NVIDIA, large cap. All right. Buy signal was here. Look at the previous trading there. Really good trading. Buy signal came in at 1,019, trading at 1164. You guys know NVIDIA is splitting, right? This is a strong stock, great fundamentals. Okay, splitting this Friday. Okay, so 10-1 split. So current price is 1164. So when it splits on Friday, that price will go to 116. All right. So if you own one share of these, you'll get 10 shares. All right. So NVIDIA, good trade going here. Buy signal here. All right. Gapped up. Guess what? It's holding, right? It's not filling that gap, trading above that gap. All right. So that's very, very encouraging. Okay. Very, very encouraging. So NVIDIA, buy signal here, holding firm here. All right. Carver. All right. Buy signal here. Great story on Carver. Great fundamentals. All right. So great technical analysis, but also great fundamentals, high ratings, good earnings. You guys know we don't follow that type of fundamentals, but we do with Bullmaster Pro. Okay. Now we do with Bullmaster Pro. AC, GL, that's holding reaccumulation. All right. Buy signal here, trading well. Previous trade did well. Also with Carver, previous trade, look here, did really well. So those big institutions, they're really loving these trades here. Okay, ASPN, buy signal here, that came in at 1958, right? Holding at $29, right? Good price action. I think we called it right about in here. Okay. All right. HWKN. All right. Buy signal here. Keep an eye on this one. It's trading below its, no, it's traded well, but not great. Okay. Choppy in here. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here by the system, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, reaccumulation. But if we look here, right, although all these trades are profitable trades because of the way it's trading within a channel here, right? Profits has been minimized. Okay, so it's trading within a channel. If you guys look here, okay, so it's not the best trading here. All right, so it's trading within that channel here. Okay, so profits are limited. What we'd like to see is just a smoother markup phase. All right, smoother trend. Okay, so just be aware of that. Buy signal here. That price is coming down. I know it's got green candles here, but if it gets back in that, we don't talk about channels a lot because we don't see these a lot. Okay, but if it gets back, think of that channel right in here. All right, as a resistance when it broke out, but coming back down, it's support. So if it gets back in that channel, guess what? We could get a sell signal, red candle, white candle first, then red candle. Then it's going to test that trend line downward, down that trend line right here, up trend line, but test right here. So just be careful of that. HWKN. All right. Difficult trading here. Difficult. Okay. All right. We're going to run HINDSIGHT. I want to show you guys why we just need to be just protect your account. Can't go heavy in any of these markets right now. Okay. Stock boss. Let's run it. Let's see how many stocks we've got. All right. 45 guys. Not a lot. So we're not missing out on anything. Okay. All right. We're not missing anything. They're not buying. All right. If they were buying, this would be 70, 80, 100, right? 150. So they're not buying. So we're not missing anything. All right. Look here. There's nothing much here. All right. That's stock boss. All right. Bull master. Let's run it. Large cap. Remember, small cap, stock boss, large cap, bull master here. We've got 62. Let's run it again. All right, 60. Yes, 62. So that's a little more. But normally, Bull Master, when we're running, we're way over 100. Okay. So we're not missing anything. A few technology stocks here. Okay. All right. So, and when they dry up like this, all right. I mean, 62 is not bad, but you know, when they're moving like this, tells us a lot. Okay. Tells us a lot. Bull Master Pro. All right. Not bad. All right. We have some red in here. All right. That's not good. Sector leader CRWD. Okay, we have a sell signal here. That's not good. Okay. Um, IPO leader BROS. Look at that. I mean, that's the top one. These are the top stock in each of the groups. And guess what? All right, this one looks good. ADMA, right? Trading at $10. Good stock right here. But just be careful. All right. ROL, CRWD. That is a top stock, but look here. Okay. So when you have the top stocks, all right, not breaking out, that's a concern. Okay. So just be careful. VIX, big picture, real big picture on the VIX, guys. Okay. Monthly, we're at 13. Okay. We are 13. Whenever we have the markets at big support levels like it is here, all right, big support levels, okay, expect a turnaround. Okay, just expect a turnaround. So we could see just like here, right? Market, that's volatility. So as these candles price action moves higher, increased volatility, bad for stocks. Okay. Now, there isn't anywhere for the price to go here. Okay. If you guys look here, we're at the bottom, the lowest volatility. Okay. So there's a good chance, there's a good chance at some point that volatility is going to come in. And guess what? Equity markets will move lower. And we're out of the buying season for equities. Remember, selling may and go away. All right. And no, it's not an exact timing mechanism. It doesn't come in sometimes exactly in May. All right. We're in June now. Sellers could come in June, July, August. Remember, we have two sell signals on these sectors. Okay. So the Russell and the Dow. Okay. Now we don't have sell signals by our system, but we have red candles. Those are sellers. So we consider those sell signals. Okay. So price is being squeezed here on the VIX. I know this is the monthly time frame here, but here we are at support. 13 is very, very low. All right. Very, very low. And we're out of the buying season. Remember, the buying season for stocks will start in October. Summer months are the worst months for stocks historically. Okay. So, all right. So just be aware of that. So we could see volatility come in. This is crazy volatility right here. These are crashes. Every crash, right? This is right 2007, 2008, right here. Right here was COVID crash. I'm not saying that this will happen again. All right. Just be aware. All right. That we when it's lower like this, expect a turn, volatility to come in. Okay. All right. So remember, we buy low, sell high. All right. But it's the reverse on this volatility in the VIX index. Okay. All right. So just be aware of that. Okay. Our US 30 traders. Bitcoin just holding, guys. Nothing here on Bitcoin. I want to run futures quickly here. This will take some time. Hold on. While it's doing that. US 30 traders, we are looking for a long. So just remember that. a buy signal here on a break of this resistance. If it comes in overnight, haven't looked at the news data for the New York session, okay? But if it comes in overnight, might be a decent buy signal, and we might call it, okay? The goal is still to get all the way up here, okay, on the US 30. On the daily time frame, if you guys notice here, we are stuck in the middle, all right, right in here. So right here is where we are. All right. Previous support becomes resistance, and we're right here. If the price breaks through right here, right, recover that moving average right here, we'll get a white candle, green candle. That we'll consider that bullish, and that should move the price action here on the 60-minute. All right, see, buyers are coming in here, get a buy signal, and we'll call it. Okay. So, guys, just be careful. Not trading is trading. I know we don't say this a lot because, you know, we're not always in the an environment like this, but protecting your account, not trading, is a trade. All right. So we don't have much right now. All right. We don't have much. So just trade lightly. Be careful. Protect your account for the next run. All right. Which it will come. Next run will be here, but we want to make sure that we are right, not struggling with these markets. All right. So protect that mindset. If you're struggling with these markets, when the market starts to move again, guess what? You'll be exhausted and out of capital. Okay. So protect your capital. It's not the best environment to trade. There are opportunities here and there. Just be careful. Okay. That's the message. Be careful. All right, guys, take care. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Okay. Don't expect a lot this week. All right. I mean, things can open up. Okay. But here we are, Tuesday going into Wednesday. Just be careful. Okay. All right. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for coming, guys. Bye bye.